Hey everybody, I'm back again, and today I have another more advanced, higher level weight bearing exercise you can try at home for those of you who still have some weakness in your affected arm. Okay, now when I say weakness, I mean to the point where you're not able to easily raise your arm to shoulder level. So, like this, that I call it Superman arm, without hiking or using your other arm to lift it up, right? Now, again, I called this advanced for a reason. This exercise is only going to be appropriate for a small group of folks. So there are some folks who have a stroke who are walking fairly well. Their balance is pretty decent, but they still have their primary area of weakness is in their arm, that affected arm. So if this is you and you kind of fall in that camp, this is a great weight bearing exercise you can do, right? Now, again, number one focus for this video is to give you again more options and ways that you can get good weight bearing for strengthening in your affected arm. However, what I'm about to show you is also going to be phenomenal for your core as well. And you will also get a little bit of weight bearing through your hips. And how do we do this? Getting on all fours, okay? So obviously here I have a mat table or a massage table. I just purchased this on Amazon. Um, you can do this on your bed, but obviously having a firmer surface is going to be easier because you're going to have more stability and support, right? Because we're going to be working on, holding that position in all fours. So if you can even get yourself in this position, this is money right here, right? So right now, just holding this position, to get in this position, your shoulders, your hips, your legs, your core, everything is fired on, right? So if you can just get in this position, so let's just say this is your weaker arm, and depending on how weak your arm is, you may need someone there to help you get that arm into position, right? And if it's buckling, you may need to also put on an air splint or a pillow splint or have somebody help hold that arm in that locked out position so that you can get the full weight through that arm and into that shoulder. But this is it right here. If you can get in this position, if you can do this, hold it for a period of time, a minute, 90 seconds, and then you can shift out of it and give your arm a break. If you can get here and then take it to the next level and then take your strong arm. So again, if this is your weaker arm and your focus is getting all this weight into this arm, but as soon as, if you're able to, take your strong arm and just lift it just a little bit, or try to do Superman with that strong arm, right? Because even if you only just lift it a half an inch, an inch, as soon as you shift your weight off of your strong arm, your body weight is going to shift into your weaker arm. So it's going to make it even more challenging, right? And then from there, I mean, there's all kinds of different things that you can do. If you get really, really good at it, you can, start just with in all fours. Knees are stacked under the hips. And then the wrist, elbow, and shoulder should all be in alignment. The first one is, again, getting this position. Then from there, to make it a little harder, try to shift off that stronger arm so your weaker arm is taking more of the weight. Then from there, you can bring it up even higher. Then you can try to do the opposite leg, right? So maybe both hands down and just that left leg comes up. There's a lot of different options for this exercise, but give it a try. Number one is always going to be your safety, right? If you want to purchase yourself one of these mat tables or massage tables, they're the closest thing that you could buy easily on your own that's similar to, what we use in a clinic, like in a therapy setting, like at a therapy gym, like in a hospital or in an outpatient clinic. We call them mat tables, and we use them a lot for this reason because it gives you a firm surface to sit and work on. I ordered this on Amazon, but again, I really try to show you guys things that are simple and affordable, especially for those of you at home who have limited resources, right? So this is not a necessity, but I also want to show you what's possible. So if you can't afford this or you don't have this right now, try this in the bed. Just know that in the bed, it's going to be, our mattresses, even a firm mattress is going to be a little bit squishy, right? And it's actually going to make this exercise harder. So give it a try. You might be able to do this in your bed, but I highly recommend that you do this with somebody with you, especially if you have quite a bit of weakness in that affected arm and you need someone to really help you get it positioned correctly, like I showed today. So definitely give that a try. Give this a try. Shoot me a comment and let me know if this is helpful to you. Because again, that is my only goal with this channel. I want to share things with you that you guys can add to your home recovery routine at home. All right, I'll see y'all next time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY videos to help you along the way in your stroke recovery. Struggling at home? Have a question? Leave me a comment. I'm here to help.